Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix permanently banned TikTok account. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Chrome and search for TikTok account banned. Hit enter and you need to open the first website, account safety. Here you need to scroll down again. Scroll down again. Here you can see if you require other account assistance on TikTok, please send us our report here. Click here and you need to enter your email address, your username, and here you need to select the topic of account ban and suspension. Here you need to mention the reason that you want, so age related, and it is up to you. How can we help? Here you need to mention to the TikTok team that my account is banned, and here you need to upload a screenshot of your account and you need to select both this option and click on submit. Then the TikTok team will contact with you in 24 to 48 hours and help to get your account recovered. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.